I've had a aha moment tonight that maybe you all don't know how to embed a hyperlink into text. So I'm going to show you how to do it. You go to the site you're referring to, and this is what I do. I copy the headline, then I paste it into Word, and I go back and get the web page information. So here's the title. I pasted it and converted it to Times New Roman 12. I went back to the original site and copied the web link. Then I went back and highlighted it. I went up and hit Insert. Then I went up to Link, Add In. I pasted it in. OK. And it is now hyperlinked. And when I would click on that, that takes me to the original article online. I hope this has answered your questions. Thank you very much.